Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive all chats on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the chat settings. Here, you can scroll down and find the archive all chats option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to archive all of your chats. Simply tap on the Archive All Chats option to confirm your choice. And this is how you can archive all chats on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.